Hello everyone, it's me Chevy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to check whether the mouse cursor movements is working properly or not in Windows and Linux PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as Mouse Tracks by Peter Hunt. On the first list you'll see its developer website. Just click on it. Now on the right side you can see here releases. Just click on it. Now just below the assets you will see here Mouse Tracks Linux into 64. So this is for the Linux operating system, and if you're using a Windows operating system then you can download the Mouse Tracks Windows into 64.exe. So right now I'm using a Windows computer, so I'm gonna download the Windows version. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to run this software installer. So right now you can see our black rectangular box is appearing. So this is your desktop home screen. So right now you can see here, whenever I move the mouse cursor, as you can see, it's showing up the straight line as you can see here. So let me try to move from the corner so you can see here. So right now you can see it's showing me the complete mouse cursor movements lines. As you can see here, there is no any broken lines. Right now you can see it's working perfectly. So let me try to move in different positions so you can see here. So let me try to speed up the mouse movements. So you can see there is no any broken lines showing up as you can see. So the mouse cursor movements is working perfectly in my case. So by using this cool application named as Mouse Tracks, you can easily check whether the mouse cursor movements is working properly or not in Windows and Linux PC very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.